Hello everyone and welcome back to the Freelance Pros Academy, where we're going to be teaching you lots of freelance skills you could learn to make crazy profits or massive profits from the comfort of your room. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can create smart mockups with just your smartphone. How you can create smart mockups, especially if you're a graphic designer, a video editor, web designer, or someone who really needs mockups for their projects. You need to pay close attention to this tutorial because I'm going to be breaking everything down to you in this tutorial. Okay, yeah, so it's just within just a couple of minutes we're done, so please watch it to the end. Now let's get started. Now, to create mockups you need to know these sites. Follow me. Now we're going to come out to say smart mockups. You may follow me, okay? Smart mockups. Then you add Vasil. Take note of these prompts, okay, or these keywords. Smart mockups Vasil. Please take note of this name because this is what you need to search to get the sites. Now, smart mockups Vasil. You enter it. Now when you enter it, the very first site that comes up is the site you will use to create the mockups. As you can see from the name, smart mockups, free product mockup generator, meaning that you can create mockups for different products. Is it a cup? Is it a shirt? Is it a book cover? Is it a tablet, a laptop, a television, whatever it may be? You can create even products like maybe skincare products and all of that. You can create lots of all these mockups from this site. It's a very good site and it is free. Okay, it is free. So now please take note of the name again. It should have Vasil at the top here. It should have Vasil at the top because that is the site. There are some duplicates of this. Let's say that there are some different versions of this site, but those ones are currently down. Okay, they are not working. Now let's get started. You come to the site, you enter the site. All right, so this is the site. Now, to get started, you need to know the kind of mockup you want to create. Okay, there are lots of mockups. If you scroll down, you're going to see lots. Now, this is actually a laptop mockup. Okay, this is a t-shirt mockup. This is a product mockup. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see more. And they showed you how to use this site. Like they are showing you the features of the site if you keep scrolling down. Okay, but if you want to get started with creating the mockups right away, you just need to know where the kind of mockup you want to create. I've said that already, and you come over to this browse all mockups here. So let's click on it. Now the mockups on this site have been categorized. They have been categorized already, so you just need to choose a category to get started. Now we have the technology, we have the print, we have packaging, we have apparel, we have home and decor, we have social media. Now technology is smartphone, laptops, gadgets generally, and other devices, stuff like that. Then we have the print. Now when we have print, we have stuff like items you can print out. Okay, items you can print out like clothes and other things. Okay, no, items you print out. I think like book cover and stuff like that. So then we have the packaging. Now packaging is like product mockups, like products you buy and stuff like that. Then we have the apparel, which is clothing and all of that. We have the home decoration, so, and then we have social media. So let me for this tutorial I'm going to be using the technology here. Let me use technology. Now you choose the one you want and you tap on it. Now which one do you want to use? Now please listen very carefully. Now under this category of technology, it is still subcategorized. These mockups are still subcategorized into photo. They are still subcategorized into photos and isolated. Okay, so now these photos is used in real life scenarios whereby someone's body is going to be showing. Look at these ones. These are all photos because someone's body is going to be showing while using the product. That is why it's called a photo. Someone is going to be there while using the product. But if it's isolated, it is just the mockup itself. No human being body or parts of a human being or any other external body is going to be there. It is just the product. Okay, so if I should click on this photo, let me show you. Now under photo, you see I've seen body and some background and all of that. And some background. These are photos. Okay, then if we click on isolated, it is just the mockups, nothing else. You can see, right? It is just the mockups. That is just it. That is just it. Now you need to know the one you want. Do you want a photo mockup or an isolated mockup? That's the first thing you need to take note of. Then we have the free and premium. Now for the free and premium, this is also another very important part you need to take note of. Now some designs are free. The ones that don't have any badge on it are free mockups. Why the ones that have this icon here where it shows premium, it is a premium mockup, okay? And yes, you can actually use the premium too, both the free and the mega premium. I'm going to show you how to use the both of them, okay? But let me first start with the free mockup. How can you use the free mockup? Then we'll now go to the premium mockup, because both of them have different approach, okay, or different ways of getting it done. So now let me first start with a free mockup. Let me use a free mockup template to get started for this tutorial, okay? A free mockup template. So I want something like, okay, let me use something like this. Let me use this one, this Samsung template. So I'm going to tap on it, and when you click on it, it is actually this is actually transparent, okay? Yeah, it's actually transparent. Now how do you get started? This is actually a Samsung device and Samsung smartphone mockup. Now if you want to get started, you come to this place where it says images, and then where it says upload from. All right, now if the image you want to make as a mockup, because a mockup is like a virtual representation of an object, okay? Yeah, so if the design I want to use, or if the design I want to convert into a mockup is directly on the device, like directly on your device, you can just click on upload from. But if it is in a link, you tap on this URL, so the website is going to extract the design and place it automatically for you. So it depends on your case study. So mine is from upload from. All right, now I want to upload it directly from my phone storage. I'm using my device, I'm using my smartphone currently. So this means that you can also use your smartphone to achieve this. Okay, you can't say because I'm using my smartphone I can't actually. There are a lot of things you can do with your smartphone that you don't even know. All right, so that is why we are teaching you in this channel. So ensure you have subscribed and ensure you like this video, so you can always receive our future content teaching you how to make use of smartphone to create great stuff. All right, now let's continue. Now I want to make this design. I want to make this particular design in mockup, this first one here. So I'll just tap on it. All right, so now when you tap on it, now they will carry you to the interface where you are going to crop the particular selection or the particular area you want to show. Okay, so you can actually click on this plus to zoom in, click on this minus to zoom out. All right, and then there's some other alignment settings you can do, whereby you want it to align to the left, to the center, to the right, to the bottom, to the center again, but horizontally, and also to the top. Then rotate and all of that. Okay, so I want you to come out to I want you to confirm all these settings if you want to make use of any of them, but I don't want to make use of any of them. I'll just click on crop and continue. Now let's wait for it. Exactly, you see it. Look at it now. You see it has already created my mockup. I hope you can see it, right? This is just what I needed. Okay, now if you want to edit it, let's say it is not really aligned, like let's say it is not having a perfect form. Okay, it's not having a perfect form, you can just come here and click on this pencil right here. You can, let's say I want to zoom it out a little or zoom it in a little. Regardless, I can always do that, okay? But I don't want to do that, okay? So just make sure it has a perfect form, and once it is the perfect form, you can now download it, okay? Now there's this, you see this customize here. Now this customize is also another part you need to take note of. Now if you come to customize, you can now change your color scheme, meaning that this is currently black. If I click on coral, it's going to change the color from, these devices were black initially, but it has changed the color from black to coral. If I want it to be white, it's going to be white too, but I don't want the white color, it's not going to be so visible. And we have the aurora. Wow, you see it, right? This is just awesome. So I'm going to go with the aurora, and please don't click on this, okay? So they will not give you a problem. Then if let's say I want to add the background now, but I don't want to add the background. I can use this for my editing later on. So I'm okay with the results. Please take notes before you download. Make sure you are okay with the final result. Okay. Once you're okay with the final results, you can now click on download. Now click on high or super high. Okay, now the higher the higher the resolution, or let's say the higher one you choose, the more let's say it's the more data it will require to download, and also the more space it will have, okay, or it will require, okay, or let's say the larger it will be. So let's say I want a high one. High resolution is going to be clear. Yes, it's going to be clear. It's also going to look very cool, and but it's going to be larger than the medium and the low. And if I choose super high, it's going to be larger than this one, but it's going to be very, very clear and very, very neat. Okay, so I'm going to click on super high because I need a great quality. It's not as if it's going to be that large though, but it's going to be higher than other ones. So now let's wait for it. It's going to download shortly. All right, and it has downloaded 3.72 MB. It's not really that much. All right, it's not really that much, and you can see it. I can now use it for my editing, anything I want to edit with. Okay, now this is just for tablet. This is just for technology. We also have more. Now this is a photo. This is now where it is used in real life scenarios. That's why it's called a photo. Okay, so it depends on the one you want. You can just make use of it that way. All right, so now I've shown you how to edit with a free template. Now let me now show you how to edit with a premium template. Are you ready? Come here, click on premium here. I want to show you. Let's say your choice of templates. Listen very carefully. Let's say your choice of template is having this premium batch, okay, and you want to use it. Let me show you how to use it. Now you tap on it soon. Now all they just require you to do is to create a free account with them. So if you can create a free account, you have access to all the mockups for only 7 days. Okay, so what we're going to do is simple. Listen very carefully. If you want to use a premium design and this thing comes up, you click on get started for free. Okay, now when you get started, let me summarize it. When you click on get started for free, you will get a temporary mail. You will sign up with them. Then after that 7 days, you will come back and log out from that email and create another temporary mail and sign up with them again afresh. So with this way, you can continuously have access to premium templates forever, because all you just have to do is to log in and log out with new emails, with new temporary emails. Okay, you just have to keep logging in and logging out with new temporary emails. You don't need to really stress yourself about that. Okay, because after the 7 days, they will bill you. Okay, they will bill you. So that's what we're going to do. All right, yeah. And now you ask me, how do we get these temporary mails? Okay, now first let me show you. Click on this get started for free. Now they will ask you for your name, so you can just say David Brown. Now the email we're going to use is a temporary email. Now let me show you where I get temporary emails from. It is very legit, and it is also very useful. So you click on mail1.io. take note of it, guys. Mail1.io is as simple as this. Okay, mail1.io. With this site you can have access to lots of temporary emails. So let's enter it. All right, now after that you just have to click on copy here, because this is our temporary email already. It has generated it within seconds, provided your network connection is good. Just tap on this copy right here. Then let's go back to our site. All right, so we just paste it here, and then you choose any password. So let's say I randomly choose something like this, and I click on start free trial. Click on start free trial. Okay, wait, let's check something again. Okay, yeah, they say we should check our email. I think that check object they sent here, it means check your email. Okay, because my email has been notified. All right, so let's click on okay. Come, let me show you something. Now you click on open inbox. All right, so this is them, right? So when they show that object something, that interface, just come back to your email and check, and you will see their verification message, because they want you to verify your email. All right, so now let's check it out. Let's open the email. Tap on the email and open it up. Now you scroll down. Verify your okay, please enter this code to request your account. Okay, so let's copy the code. Let's go back there. Wow, it's cleared. Let me do that again, please. Just wait. So let me enter everything here. Okay, it seems the website is currently down, because normally this actually works, whereby you just have to put your email and everything, and you start to so they will send the verification code to your temporary email, and you just have to put the code in the website here, and then you have access to the account already, but currently it's down. Okay, so I would like you to maybe try later. Just keep using free templates for now. Okay, maybe in the nearest future it would be resolved, because sometimes these websites have issues like this, and that doesn't mean you should not still try it out. So for now, keep trying it, because in the email they haven't sent, so in this place they didn't allow a pop-up for putting in the code. Okay, they didn't allow an option for me to fill in the code they sent to me. Okay, so just keep using the free method, or let's say the free method, and maybe in a couple of days after watching this tutorial we can now try out this one, if it actually works. Okay, but hopefully they will resolve it anytime soon. Okay, because the last time I tried it, it was actually working very fine, and I believe it should still be resolved shortly. Okay, so that is just how to create great mockups, and I would like you to come out and try more. There are lots, let me tell you, there are lots of designs that are free that are very great. Okay, yeah, a lot of designs that are free that are very great, so you don't need to be freaked about the premium one. Okay, we can always make use of the free templates very well. Okay, so have a nice day, guys. Please do well to practice, and like I've said earlier, we're the Freelance Pros Academy, home of professional freelancers. Ensure you have subscribed, and if this was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Have a nice day, guys, and stay sharp.